Hi guys, this is Zain and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this makeup look for you guys. I know that red lipstick is quite intimidating to wear, especially on a normal day. So for today's video, I decided to do a makeup look with a red lipstick that you can wear on a normal, uneventful day. So if you guys want to know how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to do my brows using the Essence Brow Pencil and the SunniesFace Grooming Gel. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation, which I am loving. When I first used this, to be honest, I didn't like it, but now I'm okay with it. For concealer, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, which is the Maybelline Age Rewind. And to set everything on my face, I'm just going to use the Nichido Final Powder. Alright, so for my bronzer, I'm just going to use the Essence Sun Club Bronzer. For blush, I totally forgot the blush that I used, but this is a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Blush, and yeah, let's just put some color on the face. For my highlight, I'm using this highlight from Maybelline. Alright, so for the eyes, I want to do something that's very simple. So I'm going to take the bronzer that I used and I'm going to buff this all over my eyelids up to the crease. To add a little bit of shimmer on the eyes, I'm going to use this bronze shade from the Dream Street palette. This is from ColourPop in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And then I'm going to take this satin brown shade from the palette also and put this on my waterline. I'm going to buff this on my waterline, but not too much to the point that, you know, the eyes would look smoky. I just want a little something on the waterline. And yeah, that's it for the eyes actually. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express. And we're done with this look almost. Now onto the main star of this look, which is the red lip. I'm going to use the SunniesFace Fluffmatte in Major. I just love the undertone of this lipstick so much, and I think this lip color suits a lot of skin colors. So yeah, that's it for this look. It's super easy, super quick, something that you can whip out if you want to, you know, wear a red lip on a normal, regular day, when you're going to school, to your office. So yeah, hope you guys like this makeup look. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!